Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm showing you how to get ready for the airport job makeup. This video I'm making, lots of my friends requested, ask me how to get flawless makeup for the long hours shifts using very less products, still get flawless makeup results. So guys, I will show you how to get beautiful skin with flawless makeup. So without delay time, let's begin. So first, make sure you put hairband to protect your hair from the makeup, especially when you go to the work. Secondly, to make sure that you remove your old makeup night before and do skincare so your skin ready for the makeup. Next, apply face primer oil from MUA because dry skin and I want to make sure my skin hydrating, especially when you work long hours. If you got oily skin, skip this step. Just use mattifying products.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Next, apply lip tint balm to keep my lip smooth and plump. You can apply whatever have you got, any Vaselines or lip balm. So guys, when I work long hour shifts, no time for the drink water, so I drink at least 2 big glasses before I start the work to keep my skin internally hydrating. Next, apply moisturizing from Olay Complete Lightweight Day Lotion, normal to oily skin with SPF 15 to keep skin hydrating and long-lasting makeup, and SPF protect your skin from sun and sun rays. Next, apply eye serum from Clinique Roll On to keep my eyes hydrating and help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise.
So guys, this is my basic skincare every day before apply the makeup. Next, apply primer from NYX, the MARSH MELLOW primer for the long-lasting makeup. You can apply primer according to skin types and conditions.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us high.
Next, I'm going to do color correcting according to my skin conditions. Must find out about the color correcting according to skin conditions. So guys, I'm using light peach color correcting and I'm going to apply under my eyes for the slightly black circle eyes and where I have got uneven skin tone.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise.
Next, apply 2 types of foundation. One is the L'Oreal Magic BB Cream 5-in-1 Tint Vitamin Complex 24 hours. This is not fully covers. Another one is NYX Born to Glow Caramel Foundation and I'm going to take 1 pump each, very less amount, and mix together and apply. So guys, I don't like to use fully coverage foundation in daily basis. Feel thick layers on my skin, very heavy. So I like to see my skin look like skin.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild.
apply concealer from L'Oreal True Match 6D/W. This product is amazing, guys. Not very heavy, full coverage, easy to blend out. Use is less amount and apply where you need it is well, and leave concealer few minutes to become taggy. And apply under eyes, forehead, chin and near the mouth. And make sure blend out properly till it is smooth.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
Next, do my eyebrow. Eyebrow is the personal choices, guys. I think how people are doing, but I like my eyebrows should look more natural in daily basis. So I'm just going to fill the sparse area.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like.
Next, clean the eyebrows using very less of the concealer for the clean and sharp look.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Same concealer apply in the eyelid and blend out properly, and let it dry the concealer before apply the loose translucent powder.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Next, apply the loose white translucent powder for the long lasting makeup, and apply under the eyes to hold concealer and lock out. Otherwise start to crease, and apply in the tweed zone and where your smells lines only. If you apply too much, your skin will become dry.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts
Next, doing eye makeup. So guys, when I work, I like to apply very light eyeshadows or just apply bronzer as an eyeshadow to look more natural rather than look dramatic. So just apply bronzer in my whole eyelid.
our hearts beat to the city street.
Next, apply eye pencil. Same bronzer, apply lower eyelashes and smoke out for the long lasting. Otherwise, your eye pencil start to smudge. So when you apply any eyeshadow in the lower eyelashes, so it's going to hold the eye pencil. Next, apply mascara to look your eyes bigger and fuller. So guys, you can apply the fake eyelashes, but I don't like to wear because it start to give me headache and feel heavy on my eyes, especially when I work long hours. Next, apply same bronzer in the cheekbone and forehead to give structure to the face and just give some sun-kissed effects.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Next, apply blush very slightly, not very heavy. So when I work, I never wear the highlighter or any shimmer eyeshadows because sometimes you not get chance to check your makeup and it's too shiny, harsh and more dramatic look. Next, apply nude liquid lipsticks. Is long lasting lipstick, so I'm applying little dark color of the lipstick because of my dress code is black. In black always suit red or dark colors. So guys, we have to apply lipstick colors according to our workplace and dress codes.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the.
Next, I'm wearing comfortable earrings.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the.
So guys, this is my final look. I always like to do my hair back secure bun, so that way comfortable to work. So guys, I hope you love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments and share the videos. It will help me to build up my channel so I can bring more interesting videos. So thank you very much for watching my video. Love you all and take care and see you in the next video. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young